Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Mailgun with CRM for deliverability checks. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Mailgun with your CRM for deliverability checks, begin by logging into your Mailgun account. If you don't have an account, sign up for one on the Mailgun website. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the domain settings section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New Domain to set up your sending domain. Enter your domain name and choose the appropriate region for optimal performance. Follow the prompts to verify your domain ownership. This typically involves adding TXT records to your DNS settings. Consult your domain registrar for specific instructions on how to add these records. Once verification is complete, go back to the Mailgun dashboard. Here, you'll find your API key, which you'll need for integration. Now, switch to your CRM platform. Access the settings or integration section of your CRM. Look for a Mailgun integration option or an API settings area. Enter the Mailgun API key you copied earlier. If required, also input your sending domain. Save your changes and refresh the page to ensure the settings are applied. Test the integration by sending a sample email through your CRM. Check Mailgun's logs to confirm successful delivery. If there are any issues, refer back to your DNS records and API settings. Once everything is set up and tested, you can start using Mailgun for deliverability checks directly from your CRM. Monitor your email performance through Mailgun's analytics dashboard for ongoing insights. This integration will help improve your email deliverability and track important metrics. Make necessary adjustments based on the analytics to optimize your email campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.